nurturing intrinsic motivation in the band classroom. Unraveling the melody of motivation, where understanding intrinsic and extrinsic forces is key to igniting a passionate musical journey in students. Motivation drives students to create music, divided into intrinsic joy and extrinsic rewards, each playing vital roles in musical education. Competition in the band room can inspire excellence but also stress and fear, calling for a balanced approach that fosters growth. Collaboration within competition nurtures positive change, reducing stress and emphasizing teamwork, crucial for a harmonious musical journey. View music contests as opportunities to showcase learning and understanding, shifting focus from winning to sharing musical insights. Introduce tailored extrinsic rewards like personalized shout-outs or performance spotlights to complement intrinsic motivation and celebrate achievements. Band directors play a pivotal role in balancing competition, teamwork, and rewards, aiming to instill a lifelong love for music in students.